everyone, welcome to the channel once again. In this video we'll learn how to create UI with PowerShell. Like if I want to create a simple form, how can I create with the PowerShell? So let's go to the lab and study and create a simple form using PowerShell. So this is my lab. Now this is the form which I am going to create. I'll run this. You see, this is a simple form. These are text boxes. And on the click of this button, I am writing to the console. Now you can save on the click of the button. You can save to the database or a SharePoint list or anything. You can do that as well. I am writing to the console here so that it's easy to replicate and learn. Now before I specifically show you how these text boxes are created, let's see something. Now if you go here, this is the form based application in Visual Studio. Now how do we create that? We drag and drop the text boxes. Now suppose I have this text box I have dragged and dropped. Now if you go to the code and go to the designer file. If you go to the designer file, you see how this has, when I drag and drop, this is in the designer file, it's automatically get written by the Visual Studio. Now what it's doing, it's initializing and drawing class and name and size and everything it's putting. Now with PowerShell you have to write these. In Visual Studio you directly drag and drop and in the background it is created. Now in the PowerShell the similar thing you have to write. Now here you see I have imported the form assembly. Similar here also, you see if you go to the CS file, it has also like inherited this form class. Now and the drawing class also has drawing assembly also. Here also if you go to the design file, it's drawing. You see it is using the System.Drawing class. So that's why drawing. And then this is the form object which I am initializing. I'll run and then you will be able to. So now this is, you see, create a new account. This is the Windows form object which is created. And then this is the text box. Employee first name, you see the text boxes. Now this is the text boxes which is created, and then this is a button. If I go and scroll you, these are the text boxes, you see, last name, employee username, job description, these all are text boxes, new object. So similar to that you can create form dot, suppose form dot, whatever controls you want, you can create. These many controls you can create in the PowerShell as well, because the foundation is .NET only, so all the controls you can create here also. So you see text boxes, and then if you want button, here the button. Now this is this button. Now this button properties are set, and then create account. On the click of this button, I'm writing these data to the console. Now you can go and save this data in a SharePoint list, or you can go and save in a database. So here I am writing, suppose Sumit Kumar, ID suppose 0987, designation suppose software, and employee ID suppose Z889. When I create, you see it has written the new user and it has written to the console. So this is the new user which is getting returned. What is the first name? Picking from the table and .text, last name picking from the table and similar to username. And on the click of the button, this window is closed. So similar to that you can create a UI similar, something like this. So it's very handy. It's not very easy as it is in Visual Studio, but this is possible that you should know. That's all from me. Thank you so much.